Brothers Cleaning provides disinfection services to businesses, schools, and churches.
In the past 30 minutes, the University of Portland announced a target date of August 17th as the opening of its fall term.
This has been a tough time.
And so the High Court granted Governor Kate Brown's emergency motion that keeps stay-at-home orders in place for now.
Alright guys, it is day 64 and the intro is back after a week. So, yep, but let's get to it. Which is mostly have to do with entertainment. So you seen the sketches of the next year's Oscar will be in look like. So I will provide the screenshots for you. For the next year's Oscars will be look like. But for now, it's too early to know, but it will be on February 28th on ABC. Now we have some photos for that. Oscar 2021. So yep, these are the concept photos for the next year's Oscars. Or the Academy Awards. So every screenshot came from 1540 Productions, but in this photo, there are social distancing and some photographers each. And these are sponsored vehicles. It could be an audio or something. And then you can see there's some man giving out some pizza and riding to a driver of Range Rover. And you can also watch it outside at the drive-in theater. And we're back to it for now. You can see there's people taking pictures but separated by each, including some celebrities. So, and you can interact with other celebrities with a new feature on Hollywood Boulevard. And that's probably also includes some social distancing at Academy Awards. But for now, it will be determined. So it will be at the end of February on ABC. And this year's movies, including like Scoop, the one that just came out, Scoop, that came out this past weekend, Trolls, that was probably one of the examples of it, will be included on the streaming movie awards that came out this year. But we don't know about 2022 Oscars Academy Awards yet. So, yep, it will be determined. And I heard one of the states does not include gyms on reopening. And also by that, I did not mention something that came out on YouTube. But still, that will be determined. And Oscars will be postponed according to Variety Reporter. That's according to Variety. So for now it will be, we don't know yet. But that's it for news right now, and we have to get to some clips. Okay, now let's go back to the first clip. On the first clip, you will see now people entering to the airport. And on the next clip, you can see that a woman interacting with a man on the phone, and there's a surprise ending.
Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hindi anak ng Diyos. Salamat
So the next clip is the point of view. It's probably somewhere in Europe or South America, I don't know, but I think it might be Europe. So on the next clip, you can see there are scenes of it. The scenes on the street in the middle of the day, including an interview.
ابراهيم السبعان نائب رئيس فريق طوارئ محافظة حولي بتوجيهات من مدير محافظة حولي المهندس أحمد الهزيم. تم توجه ورصد من قبل يومين عدة صيدليات يتم التجمهر خارج الصيدلية والبيع المباشر وعدم الالتزام بالاشتراطات الصحية، مما أدى الآن إلى مخالفتهم وجاري غلقهم، وإحنا إن شاء الله مستمرين بحملاتنا لرصد أي صيدلية لم تلتزم باللوائح والقوانين.
This is probably literally same location from yesterday at the same place, but with different people. Saying thank you Kuwait once again.
مش غريب على دولة الكويت وعلى أمير الإنسانية سمو الشيخ صباح الأحمد والدنا جميعا، وبوجه رسالة بالنيابة بالأصالة عن نفسي وبالنيابة عن الشعب المصري. مصر والكويت إيد واحدة، ويا جماعة عمر ما حد هيقدر يزرع بينا فتنة، وإن شاء الله مصر والكويت شعب واحد وإيد واحدة، وأشقائنا في الكويت أنتوا في قلوبنا، ولا يمكن أبدا لا يمكن ابدا لا نسمح بان حد يسيء ليكم. معانا
يا امير الانسانيه يا حبيب المصراويه يا امير الانسانيه.
And finally we have the last clip that you can show a motorcycle was messing around in front of an SUV. Alright, we're done with the clips, and now we're going to some photos that is not related to entertainment. So yep, we are COVID safe. That's a good sign. And the playground is going to open. The playground opened this past Saturday with distancing advice. And that Jeep from the World War II. That's probably good. Alright guys, and I think this is it for today. I will see you tomorrow.
يا امير الانسانيه يا حبيب المصراويه يا امير الانسانيه.